Let's simplify ETFs. They are a popular investment tool that many people use to diversify their portfolios. Imagine a basket you buy on the stock market filled with different assets, stocks, bonds, or even gold. This basket allows you to invest in a variety of assets without having to buy each one individually. When you buy an ETF, you own a slice of everything in that basket, making investing easier and safer. It's like having a mini portfolio in a single purchase, spreading risk across multiple assets. Now, XRP is a cryptocurrency built by Ripple, designed for fast, cheap global payments. It aims to revolutionize the way money is transferred across borders, offering a more efficient alternative to traditional methods. Unlike Bitcoin, which is often seen as digital gold, XRP's main job is to move money quickly across borders. It's designed to facilitate instant transactions, making it ideal for international payments. An XRP ETF would let you buy exposure to XRP on regular stock markets. No crypto exchanges, no wallets, no hassle. This simplifies the process for investors who are not familiar with the complexities of cryptocurrency trading. This opens the door for big investors and everyday savers who can't buy crypto directly but can buy ETFs. It democratizes access to cryptocurrency investments, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Billions could flow into XRP, boosting its price and legitimacy. Increased investment could lead to greater adoption and recognition of XRP as a viable financial asset. An ETF approval is like a stamp of approval from Wall Street. It signals confidence in the asset and can attract more institutional investors. That's why the idea of an XRP ETF is such a big deal. It represents a significant step forward for the cryptocurrency market, potentially transforming how digital assets are perceived and traded. So, why is October the hot topic? It's all about SEC deadlines and industry patterns. After Bitcoin ETFs were approved, attention shifted to which crypto could be next. XRP is a top contender. Big firms like BlackRock and Fidelity are rumored to be eyeing new crypto ETFs, and October is when many expect news. The XRP community, known for its passion, amplifies every hint and rumor, fueling speculation. Social media and analysts have turned October into a focal point. While there's no hard evidence, the excitement is real. The demand for an XRP ETF is louder than ever. The biggest hurdle for XRP, it's not just market volatility or competition from other cryptocurrencies. The real challenge has been its ongoing legal saga, which has kept investors on edge for years. Its legal battle with the SEC has been front and center, casting a long shadow over XRP's future. Back in December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that XRP was actually an unregistered security, not just a digital asset. This lawsuit triggered a wave of uncertainty. US exchanges quickly delisted XRP, causing its price to plummet and scaring off major institutional investors who feared regulatory backlash. But in July 2023, a federal judge delivered a landmark ruling. XRP isn't a security when sold to the public. This was a massive win for Ripple and the entire crypto community, restoring hope for XRP's future. Almost overnight, exchanges began relisting XRP, and its price surged as confidence returned to the market. Traders and investors celebrated the renewed momentum. This newfound legal clarity is the main reason why an XRP ETF is even being considered now. Without it, regulatory uncertainty would have made an ETF impossible. However, the legal battle isn't completely over. Penalties, appeals, and unresolved issues are still pending in court, keeping the outcome uncertain. The SEC hasn't given up the fight, and their ongoing actions continue to create anxiety among investors and the broader crypto industry. Major financial institutions are watching closely. They want absolute legal clarity before they commit to launching an XRP ETF or offering related products to clients. Until every legal question is resolved and the dust finally settles, the lawsuit remains the single biggest obstacle standing in XRP's way. Still, after years of uncertainty, the path forward for XRP is clearer than ever before, and optimism is growing among investors and the crypto community. Signs are pointing in the right direction, and optimism is growing across the financial world. The landscape for crypto is shifting, and the momentum is hard to ignore. The SEC's recent approval of both Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs marks a significant turning point, showing a noticeably softer stance on crypto assets than we've seen in the past. This move has opened the door for further innovation and acceptance. If Bitcoin and Ethereum can secure ETFs, then XRP, with its recent and highly publicized legal victory, could very well be next in line. The legal clarity around XRP is fueling speculation and hope among investors. Meanwhile, political pressure is mounting for clear and comprehensive crypto regulations. Lawmakers are actively debating new bills in Congress, which could finally provide the regulatory clarity the industry has been waiting for. Ripple, the company behind XRP, is not just expanding its global footprint, but also ramping up its lobbying efforts in Washington, D.C. This signals a strong sense of confidence in the future of crypto regulation and adoption. Ripple's CEO has even gone on record to call an XRP ETF inevitable, further fueling excitement and anticipation within the crypto community. Major asset managers are dropping hints about launching more crypto-related products, and in Europe, XRP ETPs are already available, showing that global demand is real and growing. The ETF model has proven itself, with strong investor appetite and successful performance charts to back it up. Investors are clearly eager for more crypto exposure. It feels like it's only a matter of time before a major US player officially files for an XRP ETF. The momentum is building fast, and the next big move could be just around the corner. Investors are hoping an XRP ETF will unlock billions in new capital, just like Bitcoin's ETF did. It would validate XRP as a legitimate blue-chip crypto and silence critics. But there's fear too. A rejection or delay from the SEC could tank the price and renew uncertainty. Even with approval, some worry about wild price swings or Wall Street manipulation. The community wants steady, long-term growth, not just a quick spike. October is the month everyone's watching. Will XRP finally get its Wall Street momentum? Subscribe for more.